Hello everyone, I'm Aysel Babazade and I'm a second year computer engineering student. There's one thing that we all do every day without feeling bored and we actually enjoy what we're doing, and it's listening to music. We listen to music while driving, while studying, working out, cooking, and other activities. But why are we listening to music that much? Is it helping us in any ways? Is it helping us to improve ourselves mentally or psychologically? Today I'm going to answer and explain these questions. Yes, as you can guess, today's presentation's topic is two ways of how music affects humans. First, I'll be explaining how it improves productivity of a person, and then I'll be explaining how it helps relieving stress. First, I want to start by explaining how listening to music can boost a person's productivity. Music can be found playing in most workplaces, like in banks, gyms, cafes, and even in hospitals. Doctors listen to music in the surgery rooms. Listening to music is not only pleasurable, but it also affects people's psychology. Music makes positive work environment. Which one would you prefer? A workplace where people listen to music, feel happy, enjoy what they're doing, or a workplace without music where people feel miserable and they don't actually enjoy what they're doing, and as a result, they spread negative energy? I believe that every employee would choose a workplace where people listen to music. In fact, Carter's 2019 research proves my point. It has shown in the research that 61% of employees listen to music at work to make them happier and more productive. And this research itself is enough to show that how much actually employees love listening to music during work and how much they enjoy, and as a result, it makes their work more productive. Uh, and also, people like to listen music while coding, and that's why it's really popular between software developers. Even though some people can think that coding is boring and there's no way someone can make it more productive, Leswick's 2005 research proves it wrong. According to her research, data collected from 56 developers obtained from 4 software companies in Canada over 5 weeks showed that when developers listen to music, their quality of work is higher and they actually finish their job in less amount of time. So this research proves the point that even a job without any physical activities can be more productive by listening to music. Um, Listening to music boosts our productivity, and we have shown it by different research. But now I want to prove it by a scientific explanation. When we listen to music, our body releases dopamine, and we release dopamine when we eat our favorite food too. So as a result, we can obtain that our body releases dopamine when we're doing something that we enjoy. And as a result, we listen to music and we feel happy, we enjoy. And of course, when we enjoy doing something, it results in something good and something more productive. And that leads me to my um, um, mm, second point, why listening to music is beneficial to us. Listening to music relieves stress too. Imagine you're tired and you're coming home. What is the first thing that you're doing? You relax, and while relaxing, you prefer to listen to a song, especially it's your favorite song, and it can also be classical music. There are hundreds of playlists on different streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music with relaxing music. This proves my point that people really love listening to music when they're tired, and they use this method as relaxation. And you can listen to music in different parts of the day for several reasons. For example, if you know that you're going to have hard day, you're going to have exam or an interview, you can listen to your favorite music or classical music in the morning, and you will be less stressed and happier during the day, because music helps slowing down the breathing and soothing a person's mind. And it is scientifically proven that listening to music reduces stress and anxiety. That's why doctors decided to use it on their patients too. According to Heights 2020 article, doctors were using Valium before surgeries so they can release patients' stress and lower their heartbeat rate. But now they realize that music does the same thing. That's why they replaced Valium with music. It's actually very good in medicine because Valium can have side effects to the patient, but there is no side effect of listening to music. So it brings me to my conclusion. Today I talked about how listening to music can be beneficial to people in two different ways, which were boosting their productivity and making them less stressed and happier. I actually listened to music while making that presentation, and I believe that it made me more productive. And I actually listened to music, especially classical music, before and after my exams for releasing my stress. And I suggest it to everyone because I see the result myself. Thank you for your attention. I'm open to answer any kind of questions regarding to my presentation. And for those who are interested, here are my references.